How to treat dry skin. Dry skin is dehydrated skin. The skin needs water to be healthy. The trick to having beautiful moist skin is to have a strong skin barrier. The skin barrier consists of bilayers of lipids that surround skin cells and prevent water from evaporating off of the skin. Now, dry skin has a skin barrier that does not work properly. It's as if the protective skin layer has holes in it that allows water to evaporate off of the skin, and this causes dehydration. Now, most moisturizers treat the symptoms of dry skin, but do not repair the skin barrier. The best moisturizers for dry skin are healing moisturizers that are specifically designed to repair the skin barrier, such as the Zerafite body cream. Now, this skin barrier cream uses a barrier repair technology to repair the holes in the skin barrier and helps skin hold on to water. Zerafite also makes a gentle cream for the face. Another barrier repair cream for the face is Medicure PSL Repair Moisturizer. This healing moisturizer for the face contains fatty acids, cholesterol, and ceramides in a 1:1:1 ratio that is the best ratio of lipids to nourish the skin barrier.